Jai Hind everyone, my name is Amrit. In internet if you see, there is a buzz about one thing, that is one software, and that is created by, according to report, that is created by NSO Group. What is this NSO Group? Basically it's a software company by Israel. That headquarter of this one is in Israel. Israel में है software company. करते क्या है लोग? Just they will create virus. And what is the virus? Virus is the something that keep on multiplying. We know about that human virus. And in computer what is the virus? Basically एक प्रोग्राम होता है, प्रोग्राम अपने आप ही मल्टीप्लाई होता जाएगा, 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 8, ऐसे जीपी में मल्टीप्लाई होता जाएगा. तो ये बाय इंटरनेट they will send in your phone. Obviously they require some information, they will send in your phone, and that virus keep on multiplying. It will become 2, then 4, then 8. It's not necessary in this series, but it keep on multiplying. So after some time it will take complete information of the phone. As per report, if you see Indian Express and the Guardian, the Wall Street, they are telling like it can hack almost everything. It's including your messages, your email, your WhatsApp messages, and whatever. Everything is complete, like very ground level control for phone is there with this software, as for report. So अभी तक सबको मालूम है, everybody claim that iPhone is the safest phone till now on the earth. People say like that. Okay. Like long time back there was one phone, एक फ़ोन मिल गया था FBI को किसी टेररिस्ट है, and they try to open that one. उन्होंने ओपन नहीं कर पाए. FBI is big thing, they have all facility, but वो लोग भी इस फ़ोन को ओपन नहीं कर पाए. इट मीन्स कि आईफोन की जो सिक्योरिटी लेवल है दैट इज़ द हाईएस्ट वन. But right now this virus also attacking that iPhone. So but before that what I want to tell you, what is the zero click attack. So normally सॉफ्टवेयर में या फिर किसी वायरस में क्या होता है कि वो लिंक भेजते हैं, लिंक भेजने के आपको मैसेज में होता है, ईमेल में होता है, आप क्लिक करते हो तो आप एक तरह से कंसेंट देते हो कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आप ले सकते हो. इस जीरो क्लिक वायरस में क्या होता है, आपको क्लिक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, आपके मोबाइल में वायरस होगा, लैपटॉप में वायरस होगा और आपको पता ही नहीं कि वो वायरस है, and that virus will take full control of your phone. Now this started attacking on the iOS as well. That is the safest operating system we have. So see this guy, and he was launching this phone. This iPhone उन्होंने launch किया था, उन्होंने फिर थोड़ा सा just like for sense of humor they put this phone. So if somebody returning on this phone, it will be difficult to hack it, but for this phone now it's hackable. This phone is hackable. Okay, how we can avoid it? We can avoid start using this one, start using this one, start using this one, but still if you use this one, in that case you cannot avoid it. Just a joke. Basically we don't know, it's all about rumors. We don't know this thing is exactly right or wrong, and it can happen or not. But most of the newspaper they are putting this thing like everything is hackable and without your consent, like without your they don't take your consent. मतलब आपके बिना मर्जी से भी ये सारी चीज़ें हैक हो सकती हैं. तो आप इस फ़ोन पे स्विच कर लो, इस फ़ोन पे स्विच कर लो, इस फ़ोन पे स्विच कर लो तो हो जाएगा. बट पर जनरल स्टडी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, what is the zero click attack and how it will work, and better for them. So if you see the report of the Guardian, so they are telling Amnesty International big fake. This Amnesty International this is the NGO. In Guardian news if you see. And second thing, in Indian Express also so many articles are written, if you see that that visibility and this one, and that most of the main thing I just want to if people should put attention on that one, कि ये भाई साहब कुछ बोल रहे हैं, ये भाई साहब को तो सब लोग जानते हैं. दिस इज़ द मिस्टर गांधी, ही इज़ टेलिंग समथिंग अबाउट दिस वन, एंड ही इज़ रिलाइंग कम्प्लीटली ऑन दिस वन, द बायर रिपोर्ट, कि भैया इन्होंने मोटा भाई ने सब कुछ किया है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट दिस रिपोर्ट, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वन, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.